Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install Dbeaver latest version on RHEL 9, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, then we'll connect MySQL and PostgreSQL. So first open the default web browser that comes with MySQL, that is Firefox. Now go to Dbeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here, Dbeaver community is a free open source database management tool recommended for personal projects. Manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. Scroll down, see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.3 and we have two versions, Community and Pro. Community is the open source, Pro is the commercial version. In this video I am going to download and install Community, so click on download, then scroll down. For RHEL we have to download this Linux RPM package. See, download started and its size is 109 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. Now install this package. Sudo rpm -ivh -node apps. Then dbeaver. Press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user or root account. See, we have successfully installed Dbeaver. CE means Community Edition 25.3.3 stable version. Now open the Dbeaver, go to show applications. See here we have the Dbeaver CE. Click on it to open. Close this one. No. Maximize it. Now we will connect MySQL and PostgreSQL. Click on this new database connection. Then select MySQL. Then click on next. I have installed MySQL on this one, so localhost is fine. If it is installed on some other host, then provide that host name or IP address. Port number 3306 database. Then provide the username which is there in this host. Root is there, so provide the password of this root account. Then click on test connection. This is the way to connect to MySQL server. Click on test connection. Click on download drivers. See, this is the expected error. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Click on OK. Go to driver properties. See here, allow public key retrieval, it is by default false, so make it as true. Then click on test connection again. See, successfully connected to MySQL server and this is the version number. Click on OK, click on finish, expand connection, expand databases. See here, we have these databases and these users. If you want to run queries against this database, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now run the queries, select star from I have a table customer, select it and click on execute. You see you got the output. Okay, this is the way to connect MySQL. If you want to connect PostgreSQL, again go to this new database connection or go to database and select new database connection. Then select PostgreSQL, then click on next. See, these are the defaults, so I have the user Postgres, so provide the password of this user, then click on test connection. Download for driver files. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.1. Click on OK, click on finish, expand this PostgreSQL connection, expand it. If you want to run queries, again right click, open SQL editor, open SQL console. Okay, this is the way. So we have successfully installed Dbeaver latest version 25.3 on RHEL 9. Then we have seen how to connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL server. Okay, so ls, this file is not required anymore, so remove it. Rm Dbeaver, hit enter, ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Dbeaver latest version on RHEL. Then we have connected both MySQL and PostgreSQL servers. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.